We provide high-quality full-mouth denture, design using advanced CAD/CAM technology, ensuring precision, comfort, and a natural look that meets the highest standards of aesthetics and functionality. Our skilled designers integrate digital impressions to create accurate virtual models, crafting dentures that fit perfectly and provide lasting durability. With our commitment to innovation and excellence, we take pride in delivering results that exceed expectations. In this video, we showcase the final work, perfect representation of our dedication to quality and attention to detail. Partner with Digiart Design Services for reliable, cutting-edge dental solutions that stand out. Your satisfaction is our top priority.